Hello everyone and welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday the 23rd of June. There has been a mixed outlook over recent days, but we're starting to see a little bit of positive traction coming through now on markets. We've seen that the dollar has started to slip back. Now that started yesterday. There was what is known as a bearish key one day reversal, where you see the market, the dollar making a high, but then closing below the previous session low. That completes the bearish turnaround, and it's continued lower today. Now this has come as signs of a slight improvement in risk appetite. Nothing too decisive yet. Little tick higher on yields yesterday and again today. Equities a little bit higher on the S&P 500 last night. The futures are ticking higher again today. And it just sort of suggests that there is something starting to come through. The yen is starting to underperform. Dollar yen back above 107 figure. Watch out for that. If it starts to sort of move into the mid 107s or towards the 108s, I think that really is a sign that risk appetite is starting to return. We've seen Aussie dollar picking back up again. Euro picking back up again. Interesting. Good session on euro dollar yesterday for the bulls. Talk about technical implications of that. And some of the fundamental data that we've had this morning has really sort of played into this. We've had the flash PMIs come out, all for the Eurozone and UK, all beating expectations. Look at this. The June numbers were all in the low 40s, weren't they? For all of these Eurozone manufacturing services and composite and UK data as well. All of them coming in way ahead of expectations. Manufacturing for the UK back above 50, which moves out of contraction. And it's signs of a turnaround, I think, is starting to come through now. Obviously, June, final month of Q2, sort of sets up well, I think, for the start of Q3 for July. So there is this turnaround that is seemingly at play at the moment for this European data. Now we're looking out for this afternoon. The US data, US flash PMIs, expected to again be improvement, sharp improvement on May's data, up into the high 40s for that data. So could that be in the 50s? It seems to be at the moment a trend for these survey data to be beaten on a positive side. So yeah, this could be a decent number out of the States this afternoon. Again, that would play into the risk improvement that we've got. New home sales expected to improve by 2.9% back to 640,000, and also have a look out for the Richmond Fed composite later as well. So some decent looking data that we've got today, and certainly helps to improve what my chart of the day is always considered to be a risk indicator, Aussie yen. Now Aussie yen has started to pick up. As I said, we're starting to see little signs of a turnaround. This corrective move that we saw on Aussie yen, that came as the dollar strengthened, the yen strengthened, the safe havens were outperforming over the past 2 weeks. Is this move now starting to turn around? It's broken this downtrend. It came back, retreated on Aussie yen, back towards this uptrend, and started to pick up. The support at 72.50 held again a second test, and again that positive bull candle, which 73.82 was yesterday's high, 73.85. So that again is a bullish key one day reversal on Aussie yen. So we've started to see this movement turning around. Look at the stochastics. Are they about to bull cross? The RSI has picked up into the high 50s and held on to that 50 level anyway. So it's always been seen as a bit of a near-term retracement within a medium-term bull run. And the fact that it's picked up again off that uptrend is encouraging. Now, you need to see some improvement continuing. It's interesting that on the hourly chart, I've put the crosshair at 74.30. It sort of hit that resistance and fell back. But certainly the improvement in momentum on hourly as well, higher lows, higher highs in the last day or so, encourages for a test of that 74.30 resistance. 74.50 was an old breakdown. It was a pivot as well, so that is a neckline resistance. So if you can get above 74.50, that would be very much signs of improvement. Above 75 figure as well, that spike high from 16th of June. So there's all these signs of a turnaround starting to come through, but the support of Aussie yen starting to come in suggests there is a floor. It's got that uptrend. It's starting to progress. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.